Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly juggle work, hobbies, and personal life, while others struggle to check off their to-do list? Welcome to today's video where we are diving into a transformative journey, how to turn yourself into a productivity powerhouse in just 6 months. Whether you are a student looking to ace exams, a professional striving for that promotion, or simply someone eager to reclaim control of their time, stick around as we uncover practical strategies and actionable tips that anyone can apply. Ready to unlock your full potential? Welcome to Peak Potential, your go-to channel for motivation and a better lifestyle. I'm Nikhil, and here we explore tips and insights to help you reach your peak potential. Let's elevate together. Friends, this is the best and most powerful video that will change your life. The strongest comeback ever. I will make you do it, and you will not be the same as before. There is such a person in everyone's life. The time comes when he has the strongest comeback needed. Take life and make a comeback for yourself. The time is right now when you watch this video. This is the best we have made so far. One of the most valuable videos. The tools and principles that helped us procrastinate are what you will discover in just the next few minutes. There is no talk of here and there, no nonsense or just bullshit advice. Practical gold value. We will tell you 3 steps that will change your life. You will be able to make the strongest comeback with this video. By the end, you will know something that causes people to fail to make their comeback 99% of the time, which most of the rest of YouTube doesn't tell you, so you can avoid making that mistake. You will be saved if you do it again and again. Know this, number 1 does the opposite of what 99% of people are doing. Always remember the quote, to become the 1%, you must do what the 99% are not doing. If going to the gym is understood simply, then start doing the reverse of what the remaining 99% are doing. Have you done anything big in your life yet? Have all your dreams been achieved? Whatever goals are still incomplete, you want to see them completed. But when it comes to working on them, you feel unmotivated and procrastinate. Do you know the core reason for this? You have given yourself options. To change, to fulfill your goal, you think there is an option in life, a want that can be fulfilled even if it doesn't happen. If you stop living a little, life will keep passing by. Is anyone in a hurry around you? Look at the people, see what they're all doing. This is how we are living. Everyone has dreams of becoming something, achieving something. Some want money, some want fame, some want to make their parents proud. But 99% of people do nothing because they don't know why. They join the crowd of people who used to taunt them. The taunts make them lose their confidence so much that they feel their goals are too much for them to take action. It's hard, don't feel bad, but you are not the only one who has big dreams. Second, young boys or girls want success in life, more money. Now, question yourself. Ask what makes you so special that you get all the things you want. What proof have you shown so that people can shut their mouths? We know this is a very harsh thing to say, but what should we do with this reality? There is no need to lose hope. Rather, use this negativity as fuel. Think about each person who tried to humiliate you. Relatives who lived with you during your life. Sometimes let mom or dad down. Show those people who have your back. They only say big things behind their backs. They can't do anything, but that's it. People who make fun of you use these words. Don't ignore it, it hurts to hear. It hurts, but let these things happen. You will make it work like a strong reason. Treat it like constructive revenge. You have to be successful so that you can meet all these people. You can take revenge on them, you can shut their mouths. This will force you to take the right actions. This will be the reason for you to change your life. Changing life is no longer an option. Chasing your goal will become a necessity. It will become your need and not a wish. Have a mindset, I will achieve it. People who give you advice not to take revenge are wrong. Revenge requires success. We are talking about constructive revenge. At this moment, promise yourself that either you will experience success or die trying. But never settle for mediocrity. If you have this mindset, then listen to what you have to do next. Focus only on this. 2 things for your comeback: fitness and money. Look at your overall power. People all over the world will talk nonsense, but let us tell you, believe it or not, unless a person has both of these things, there is no big change in life. If you can't earn money, concentrate on your studies. Break it and study. Start earning money together or make a side income. Start learning a skill that will help you earn income in some time. If you are financially weak, start learning a skill that will help you improve. When you become more physically fit and financially strong, the world will follow. Create a daily routine for yourself. Live a balanced life when your comeback is strong. Otherwise, keep making the same mistakes as the other 99%. Focus on 10 things a day and work hard. This is the most important part of this video. It will decide whether you will have a comeback or not. If you make the same mistake as everyone else, you will definitely fail. The brutal truth of this process: this is not the first time you have thought about changing your life. You must have seen many videos like this, but still, nothing has changed. This happens because of these 5 phases. Whenever you see something like this, you go into phase 1, information. You become overly optimistic and positive. Then, when you take the first action, you start feeling immediate discomfort. You enter phase 2, pessimism. It turns out that what you thought was not easy. It takes a lot of pain. Beat your mind and go against it. Taking action takes a toll on you physically and mentally. Somehow, your willpower hurts, but one day at a time, you move forward on the strength of bearing this pain. Then there comes a time when you die and reach phase 3, the valley of desperation. Why do some people go so far? Where does so much discipline come from? How do they achieve greatness? The reason is that even after coming to this phase, you still don't quit because of willpower. We were relying on trust, but when that too ends, you have no other option. Mental pain has increased so much, and you miss the light and comfortable life. Then you feel distractions everywhere and get on your knees. You give up, but those who cross this phase also move on. How do they do it? That is the reason behind it, the reason why you started this. If that reason is strong, you can complete this phase. You will cross and reach phase 4, informed optimism. Your optimism and positivity will return, but this time, it will be because of your own hard work and struggle. You will feel proud of yourself. You will think that you did not give up and get accurate results. You will continue on this path and reach the last phase, phase 5, success and fulfillment. This is the point when all your goals and aims will come true. You will reach your destination and feel so happy and satisfied. You will do more than ever before. This will be the best phase of your life. Believe me, the happiness of achieving success is worth every pain and sacrifice. People will tell you about the result of achievement, but no one tells you about this path. This is due to uncertainties. You have to give up as soon as you get the first setback. You start thinking. When this whole path becomes clear, you will actually know where you will feel pain and where it will feel good. You will reach the result. Your mind will be prepared, so when you reach the valley of despair, it should be clear that this is just a phase. Hold on, and this phase will pass. After this, only good things will come to you. The strongest comeback of your life. And this is how you will make the strongest comeback in your life. And you know, I want to monetize my channel by this year, so if you like this video, like and subscribe to the channel. Support us by turning on the bell notification so you don't miss upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.